My name is Armin. For a long time, I believed happiness only came after success. I thought life would feel better when I reached my goals. When I get good marks, I will be happy. When I learn perfect English, I will be happy. When I earn good money, I will be happy. Because of this thinking, I always focused on the future. I told myself, just work hard now, happiness will come later. But something strange happened. Even when I achieved small goals, the happiness lasted only a short time. Then my mind moved to the next goal. There was always something else to chase. One evening, I was walking in the park near my house. I saw a man teaching his young son how to ride a bicycle. The child tried to ride. After a few seconds, he fell. But he did not cry. Instead, he laughed. He stood up and tried again. Sometimes he rode a few meters. Sometimes he lost balance. But every time he tried, he smiled. His father was also smiling. They were enjoying the moment. Watching them made me think. The child was not worried about mastering the bicycle immediately. He was enjoying the process of learning. That moment made me realize something important. For many years, I had forgotten how to enjoy the journey. I was always chasing the final result. But I ignored the daily experience of learning. The next day, I changed my mindset. Instead of thinking only about becoming fluent in English, I started enjoying the practice. When I learned new words, I appreciated the progress. When I made mistakes while speaking, I laughed and corrected them. When I read English books, I focused on understanding, not rushing. Slowly, my attitude changed. Learning stopped feeling like a burden. It became something interesting, something meaningful. Weeks passed, then months. I noticed that my English had improved naturally, but the most important change was inside me. I was no longer stressed about reaching the finish line because I had started enjoying the path. Life is not only about achieving goals. Goals are important, but the journey toward those goals is where most of life actually happens. The daily effort, the small improvements, the lessons learned along the way. If we ignore the journey, we miss most of the experience. Today, I still set goals, but I remind myself of one thing. Do not wait for the future to enjoy life. Find joy in the progress. Find meaning in the effort, because the journey itself is part of the reward. Final thought, goals give direction to life, but the journey gives life its richness. Learn to enjoy the process, and success will feel even more meaningful. Ending line, keep learning English. Keep improving step by step. And always remember, a beautiful journey is just as valuable as a destination.